just starting to soak, so taking a walk up around the river here. Actually, it's Mud Creek, it's not a river. It's an extension off of the St. Lucie. You can see this is all wilderness, all potential good crab spots. And it's just black water, dark water. I'm indulging as I walk, of course. I saw a fisherman walk this path. I wanted to see if there was more culverts up here. I prefer to crab around culverts from still active water. I won't bore you with it, just thought you might enjoy a walk through mangroves. Have a great day. Be thankful for all our blessings.